Hello everyone. So we are doing our revision of FA2. We had completed MCQ and true and false. Now today we are going to start fill in the blanks, definitions and match the list. So let's get started. Now starting with chapter 4 fill in the blanks. First is cooking is fast in utensils made up of dash. तो आंसर आएगा metals. Second is light colors and dash most of the heat that falls on them. Answer आएगा reflect. Third one is we should wear dash color clothes in the summer. Answer आएगा light. Fourth one is degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called dash. Answer आएगा temperature. Part D definition. First is temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called temperature. Second one is good conductor of heat. Answer आएगा the materials which allow heat to pass through them easily and speedily are called good conductors of heat. Third one is bad conductor of heat. The materials which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are called bad conductors of heat. Part E match the list. First A part. First is thermometer. Second is water and air. Third one is Kelvin. Fourth one is heat. And the fifth one is dark color object. In part B, first is bad conductor of heat. B is a form of energy. C is SI unit of temperature. D is the instrument and the E is good absorb of heat. आंसर आएगा फर्स्ट के सामने डी, सेकंड के सामने ई, थर्ड के सामने ए, फोर्थ के सामने सी एंड द फिफ्थ के सामने डी. अभी बात करते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 5 के फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स की. फर्स्ट इज डैश एसिड इज प्रेजेंट इन कर्ड. आंसर आएगा लैक्टिक. सेकंड इज द सब्सटेंस दैट टर्न्स मोइस्ट रेड लिटमस पेपर ब्लू इज डैश बाय नेचर. आंसर आएगा बेसिक. थर्ड वन इज सोर सब्सटेंसेस आर मोस्टली डैश substances. आंसर आएगा acidic. फोर्थ वन इज phenolphthalein gives dash color with basic solutions. आंसर आएगा pink. Now definition. First is indicators. The substance used to examine whether the given substance is acidic or basic is called indicators. Second is neutralizations. Chemical reactions between an acidic and a basic that produce salt and water is called neutralization. Now talk about match the list. In part A, first is vinegar, second orange juice, third is spinach, fourth is apple and the fifth is unripe mango. In part B, first is malic acid, second is oxalic acid, C is acetic acid, D citric acid and E is tartaric acid. आंसर आएगा ए, फर्स्ट के सामने C, सेकंड के सामने डी, थर्ड के सामने बी, फोर्थ के सामने ए और फिफ्थ के सामने ई. नाउ चैप्टर नंबर 6 फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. अ फिजिकल चेंज इज जनरली डैश चेंज. आंसर आएगा रिवर्सेबल. सेकंड इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ आइस एंड डैश इज कॉल्ड अ फ्रीजिंग मिक्सचर. आंसर आएगा कॉमन सॉल्ट. थर्ड वन इज मैग्नीशियम रिबन बर्न्स विथ अ ब्रिलियंट डैश लाइट. आंसर आएगा वाइट. Fourth one is for rusting of iron dash and dash are necessary. Answer आएगा oxygen and moisture. Now part D definition. First is rust. Due to rusting, a film of brownish iron oxide is formed on the iron. This substance is called rust. Second one is physical change. A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties like shape, color, dimensions or state but no new substance is formed is called physical change. Now talk about part E match the list. In part A, first is copper sulfate, second is iron sulfate, third one is calcium carbonate and the fourth one is magnesium. In part B, first is metal, second is green color, third one is insoluble in water and the D is blue color. आंसर आएगा फर्स्ट के सामने D, सेकंड के सामने B, थर्ड के सामने C and the fourth one के सामने A. In this video we are completing our fill in the blanks, definition and match the list. In next video we are going to start sections B. Thank you.